9 cancer warning signs and symptoms. The first is unexplained paleness and loss of energy. So the paleness is due to anemia, which could be due to other non-cancer causes as well. But in patients who are anemic, pale, and having extreme fatigue with no reason or no known cause for the anemia, it is better to get evaluated by a physician, because the cause of the anemia or the paleness may be cancer due to different mechanisms. Like, for example, someone may have colorectal cancer and may be bleeding. Continuous chronic small amount of bleeding may lead to anemia, or they may have infiltration of the bone marrow where there is no red blood cell production, and they may develop anemia as well. And there are also other different mechanisms of anemia in patients with cancer. The second one is patients may have lumps, mass, or any swelling in any part of the body is a warning sign for possible malignancy. The swelling may be in the lymph nodes or in the abdominal cavity or even in the extremities. It could be like a bone tumor or any intra-abdominal cancer, or any lymphoma may give us also lymph nodes and organomegaly. So having lumps, mass, or swelling is second also sign and symptom of malignancy or cancer. The third one is sudden and unexplained weight loss. If someone is not intentionally losing weight by exercise or diet, but losing weight with no known reason, weight loss is also one of the signs or the symptom of cancer. So it should be evaluated by physician. The fourth one is also unexplained fever or illness. If the fever is due to, for example, viral cause, it will go away within a few days. And if it's bacterial cause, if somebody takes proper antibiotics, the fever go away. But if the fever continues for a long time with no explanation, the cause may be cancer as well. So it needs an explanation and evaluation for possible cancer cause. The fifth one is bruising or bleeding. So the bleeding may be due to low platelet, which is also a manifestation of one form of manifestation of, like, for example, hematologic malignancies, which leads to dysfunctional platelets or inappropriately very low platelet production, so that the patient may bleed into the skin, from the mouth, from the any other part of the body. So having unexplained bleeding or bruising is one form of presentation of cancer. So this also needs evaluation. The sixth one is prolonged or ongoing pain in any part of the body. Like, for example, if someone has abdominal pain which stays for a long time, and there is no explanation for that, it may be due to colorectal cancer. If someone has pain on the pelvis area, it could be any gynecologic malignancy. Or if someone has like chronic lower back pain, which is severe ones, they may have primary or metastatic bone tumors. So pain which is prolonged and ongoing and severe one is also one sign and symptom of cancer. The sixth one is frequent headaches, especially if it's associated with vomiting, if it's worsened by like bending, coughing, and or in the morning. It may be due to brain tumor, which creates increased intracranial pressure that gives us a frequent and severe form of the headache. So this also needs evaluation for a possible cancer cause. The eighth one is sudden eye or vision changes. The eye changes like in the size. So if someone progressively protrudes one of the eyes, sees protrusion or increase in size, and or loss of vision or decreased vision, it may be due to a pituitary problem which compresses the nerves, the nerve tracts, like the optic chiasm, or they may have also retinoblastomas and other forms of cancer in the eye itself or in the orbital cavity. So this is also one form of sign and symptom of cancer which needs evaluation by a doctor. The ninth one is limping. Like if someone has problems like including bone tumors which gives stress fractures or involvement of the joints, the presentation or the manifestation may be pain and limping. So this also needs evaluation and proper examination, so that the cause may or may not be cancer, but this needs physician evaluation and looking for the cause of the limping. And thank you for watching.